Now that we've shared installing the rooftop tent and camp kitchen, we want to share the accessories we've added. First up, we installed a 12-gallon water tank on the roof with a nozzle. Then we added a rear awning over the kitchen area to protect against rain and sun. Next, we added a mount for 2 5-gallon jerry cans. The neighbors came by to check it out, including their friendly cat. Then we did a test run with the rooftop tent, trying out all the features, including the annex. We positioned the rooftop tent so that the annex covers the driver's side front and rear doors, making it easier to get gear out of the car in bad weather. Finally, we mounted a pair of Max Tracks and a surplus Philby rucksack for trash on the rear tire.